Hello everybody and welcome to a Noblecraft development log video. I'm sorry about yesterday. I had errands to run to about 5:30 in the evening, and then I played a game of Assassin's Creed and I just had no time. So today we are going to finally get some items dropping from the sky and deal with the player data and how many drop parties they have.
It's a revolution. It's a revolution.
So the time is now 4 in the afternoon. I've just managed to add the infrastructure to add drop party types to the player. It's time to debug it all now and get it working. Okay, so the last 15 minutes I have been debugging the player data system. So now it all works fine, and I've also added a command to be able to view how many drop parties online players actually have for admins. So all this data works fine. I can DP add Lua_test1, and then it'll added one of the test of the type test to me, and then if I view, that should be 4. And there we go, all working fine, and it's saving to the database. Nothing related to development, but I have just figured out my time on the bottom of my screen is actually 10 minutes out of date. Now after going on this forum post, I've figured out why, thanks to them. The Windows time service was automatically disabled and wouldn't run on startup, and it would keep the device in sync with the actual time, and that was disabled by default in Windows 10. Good job, Microsoft, good job. Just planned out the drop party inventory for the player to see how many drop parties they have. Time is now, well, that's wrong anyway. Time is now 4:30. I'm gonna go for a run and then have tea, and then we're going to make this inventory and get some items falling from the goddamn sky. It's about time. So I'm back from my run. I did 10k today. My first ever 10k. I'm very happy about it. I run at about 7 minutes 20 seconds pace and did it in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So I'm absolutely knackered and I can't feel my legs anymore. The time is now 10:30. I haven't had much time to work on this today because my run and dinner took longer than expected, but today we've managed to get all the player data debugged, fully working, saving in the database, loading again, as well as commands to view and set the player data and how many DPs each player has. For the final edition of tonight, I've added a /db command. This will now bring up your drop parties with the amount you have. I haven't done any clicks yet, but this is very easy and get it done tomorrow. So tomorrow we should complete this plugin. Last couple of days have been really bad for me. I've had errands all yesterday, and today I didn't get much done because my sleep schedule is not agreeing with me at the moment. So I'm going to go to bed because I got to be up at 8:30 tomorrow. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's devlog. Really fascinating to me, and I've loved that.